Standing ovation. Sorry I was being such a spoiled, rotten, rude woman. It's time. This is the last finale. Fireworks. Thank God. I'm a little over advent calendars. How about you? Welcome back to my channel. I'm not this weird. I'm just delirious, okay? But we're going to save the best for last. And I believe that Liberty London is just that. Okay? Let's get started, folks. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Hopefully this comes out before Christmas, meaning me uploading this video. If not, we'll have a good laugh regardless. To the finale of Advent Calendar series, we are just going to start with number 1, as we were supposed to. I hear this is a good one, so the countdown is on. Okay, we've got perfume. Yeah, starting out strong. Very masculine and me-likey. If you don't know, I basically have purchased almost every advent calendar I would assume that either has been talked about or that I found that would deliver in time. This advent calendar, it was one of the most expensive ones. It was no Dior, okay? Dior was almost $1,000. We started off strong. I do love this. Number 2, we've got Supernova Antioxidant Cleansing Gel, Dr. David Jack. Heard of him? Has anyone heard of him? That's all I'm going to say. Oh, do I see an Augustinus Bader? Nope, just kidding. Same colors. That's confusing. These are obviously English brands or European brands because I've never heard of anything so far. But if it's like the perfume, then I'm pretty sure we're in good hands. This is skincare. We've got the Emma Lewisham Skin Reset Face Serum. I'll let you know how this is. Number 4, tiny box. All jokes aside, I've been introduced to new brands, lots of them, and some of them I love and some of them I don't. There's this one hair brand, I forgot the brand, but it was from the Harrods Advent Calendar that I've been using. Everyone's been asking about how, like, why is my hair so shiny and healthy? What do I use? It's that little spray I got from the little Advent Calendar. The 6th for mindfulness and intuition. Ooh, so if you spray this perfume, you're gonna what? Have intuitive thoughts? Cool packaging though, look at this. Ooh, it smells like basil, and I do not like to smell like a Christmas tree. Oh, I know this brand, Trish McAvoy. I just started following her today on Instagram. How random. What is this? This is a full size. I thought it was another travel size perfume, but it ain't. Ooh, is this a balm or is this a black lipstick? Let's see. It's a balm with no color. Well, you know what? I'm just gonna put this on because these lips were made for kissing. This is Nourishing Shampoo, just in case you're wondering. And this is from Natural Tech. Heard of them? Looks like medicine. I don't know if this is beauty or if this is bathing stuff. 7, number 7. Santal Beauty. Ooh, Santal is one of my favorite scents ever. Better than basil. Whoa, that was an interesting spray. Smells delightful. Okay, but you know what? I'm saving all of these advent calendar boxes because, man, I do appreciate the artistry. I appreciate the time it took to actually build these. MZ Skin. We've heard of them, haven't we? This is their Rich Moisturizer. Got it? Good. Okay, I'm not going to open them because why? Number 9. Sana Hardin, Tiger by Her Side. Ooh, rawr. God, that's strong. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Like, I love me a scent that lingers, but that is going to be up my nose. I'm not going to be able to taste. You're pissing me off, Liberty London. You're pissing me off. Okay. Philip Kingsley. I love it. Elasticizer. Deep conditioning treatment. Yeah. If you guys like skincare, you're going to love this. I mean, don't buy it. It's already on. Christmas is over, basically. I'm so tired of talking about gift guides. Speaking of, I just uploaded 3 videos basically in 3 days. You're welcome. Last minute gift guides, you probably only have, by the time this uploads, negative time. So you're shit out of luck. And we have a good one. Sicily. We have lotion. Ooh, Laurel Toning Lotion. I like it. I just bought, or not just, but this was part of my gift guide. Not this, but Sicily has the best hair brushes ever. Number 11. Ex Nihilo. This is another perfume, because if it is, I'm going to have to pass on it, guys. I don't think I can, I mean, I'll spray it. Okay, I'll try. Not bad, actually, a lot lighter. This makes me actually appreciate floral scents. Normally I don't like floral scents, but compared to that last Tiger Balm, whatever it's called. On to number 12, Mirror Water. What is this for? This is body oil. Okay, have you heard of this before? Like it. Yay. Next, we've got two, and we have a recognizable brand, for me at least. Jones Road and Lisa Eldridge. Money. Jones Road. This is a mascara. I'm assuming this is travel size or sample size because this is very tiny. And yes, I'm bitching because I paid money for this. Lisa Eldridge knows what's up. This is an eye pencil. I just actually ordered her skin tint. I've heard rave reviews and I've been feeling so much FOMO, but her stuff comes from England. It takes forever. This is the Seamless Guide eye pencil. Yay. Looks creamy to me. Is it? Yes, it is. Perfect for the waterline. Work it, twerk it. We're getting better. We're getting better. We've got more perfume. Can you believe it? Was this a joke with all the advent calendar brands that they all have a meeting over Zoom and be like, we're just going to send perfume. That's it. This is Grenado. Can you smell it? Okay, it's fine. Everything smells the same because I'm still swallowing that last one. We've got two. Larry King, A Social Life for Your Hair. Is this from the Larry King? Doubt it. Hair product and another hair product, True Soft Argan Oil. This looks amazing. Sure, this will make my hair even shinier than it already is. 16. Hey, guess what, guys? It's more perfume. Better than paper mache, though. And if you know, you know. And if you don't, watch my last advent calendar. I don't know what this is called. Perfect name. Labeled that right. DS and Durga. If you guys love scents, though, all these advent calendars are going to be great for you. I did try to order the elf advent calendar. I just don't think it went. I don't know what happened. I thought I paid for it. I guess I didn't. And it was still in my cart, and I'm going to leave it there. Don't feel like doing an elf one. Sorry, folks. I'm sure it's better than any of these other ones. And it's only 99 bucks. Still expensive, though. We've got Verdun Nocturne Magnesium Night Balm. I need to take some of this. Call it a night. Yay. Oh, I know this brand. Dermalogica. This is the Daily Microfoliant Brightening Rice-Based Powder Exfoliant. Paula's Choice. You know that. I know this brand. Good brand. Good brand. We have Trini London. Ooh, Sheer Shimmer Lip to Cheek. This is the type of stuff I want. I guess the advent calendar doesn't say makeup advent calendar, does it? Still fine. But I'm only going to want that next year. Okay, this reminds me of Merit's new eyeshadow, cream eyeshadows, but it's not as good. Okay, just Merit, you win. We have Charlotte Mensa. This is a oil conditioner. This looks old. Ooh, La Mer lip balm. Okay, I'll take it. Okay. Perfume. Anybody want used perfume? Meaning one spray and I'm never using it again. Let's see. No, this is not it, folks. Not it. There's 25 in this one, but how come in every other one there's only 24? How come this has 25? Okay, I'm really hoping Augustinus Bader is in number 25. Because if not, false advertising. I don't know. Anyway, this is what we get, okay? A serum and a repair mask. This looks like what you get in hotels, right? Last but not least, dun, 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 we've got a good one. This may be worth the whole advent calendar because this is regular size and this right here is the cost of what this is. Wow. Standing ovation. Sorry I was being such a spoiled, rotten, rude woman. Don't know what this is. What is this? You guys, you have no idea. Everybody has been asking me what my new scent is, and I've just decided not to share it. Like, I'm telling them my older scent that I have just switched. I used to wear Le Labo Ylang 49 for 10 years. Oh my God, this is my scent. Yeah, pause this because you're going to want to use this too. You can all smell the same. They have it, and not only did they end on a high note with this full-size Augustinus Bader eye cream. Like, this is full size. This costs like $400 maybe. I could be completely wrong. Could be less. Maybe 300. It's in the 200s for sure. It's 275. And my favorite. Okay, you know what? You win. We actually ended on a high note. I still have to open up Max, but I'm going to do that on the other platform. So this was our finale. And yay. You know what? I'm going to do it again next year. Thank you so much for joining this series with me. Let me know specifically what advent calendars you want me to get next year, and I'll start taking notes, okay? Also, let me know what you would like to see more of in 2026. We've got lots of exciting new things happening. The whole Sephora squad is going to definitely, with me being a part of it starting January, it's going to be a lot busier for me. So I'm hoping to still obviously at least upload once a week, if not more. Thank you so much for all of your love and support. Like I said, genuinely, I really mean this. You guys are so supportive, and I always feel like I can be myself on this platform. Anyway, happy holidays. Enjoy time with your family, friends, with yourself, more importantly. And I'll see you in the new year. Love you. Bye. Trying to steal the spotlight. Anyway, just kidding. Smells like my grandma. Rest in peace. Never met her, actually. You know why they can fit too? Because they're giving us sample sizes. Oh, karma. I'm going to get like 1 view on this video.